Nutri, Nutri, Nutri. Let's go! Grade 5. We still the show. Prutas, gulay. Every day. Para sa strong na body okay. Tubig, inom. Bawal soft drinks. Kaya kami ay fresh. No stinks. Go, grow. Glow! Yan ang game. Nutrition is not a piece of cake. Ito ay tunay, hindi fake. Kalusugan ay at stake. PPAN ang aming guide. Grade 5, walang pass died. Masigla, malusog, matibay, astig. Healthy kids, di mapipigil. Grade 5, we are here. Anong sigaw ng grade 5? Nutrisyon ay panalo. Grade 5, sugod na!